Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'm going to do a battery drain test in the Redmi Note 8 Pro, friends. So while watching the movies continuously, so same kind of video I did on the Poco X2 and the Redmi Note 9 Pro as well. So even on the Realme X2 as well, friends. So do check the links in description. Otherwise, you can just open my channel and you can see here. So recently, which I uploaded, friends, on the Realme X2, Poco X2, even on the Redmi Note 9 Pro as well. So you can find very good interesting results, which phone has more battery in terms of watching movies continuously, even while streaming YouTube as well, friends. So now I thought of doing the same kind of test on the Redmi Note 8 Pro as well. So that's why I thought of doing this video, friends. So here you can see at the moment I am using Note 8 Pro. So I have loaded the same kind of movie which I played in those tests. The same movie I'll be playing continuously in a loop in the Redmi Note 8 Pro. So let's check, friends, how much the battery will be drained in the device. So here is a MX Player. Let me try to open the movie at the time. So right now the battery percent is of 100%. You can see it clearly, friends. So it's 100%. So let me try to connect the earphones to the phone. And let me start the stopwatch as well at the same time. So it is a movie, friends, which I'll be playing continuously, and throughout the test I'll be choosing with the 50% of brightness. So with the 50% of the brightness, friends, overall I'll be trying to choose, as you can see clearly. So this is the 50% of the brightness and even the 50% of volume as well. So this is the settings which I'll be using continuously, friends, and at the moment there is no SIM card in the phone, so it's in completely airplane mode as well, as you can see clearly. So with the 50% brightness, let's see, friends, how many hours we can get when I continue to play in the loop as well. So this is a 1080 movie, friends. Let me try to show you the properties as well so you can understand the movie clarity, how much it is. So you can see 3 GB size and 1080 resolution as well. So overall this is a 1080 movie playback test, friends. Again I'll be back after a few hours and let's check how much the battery will be drained in the Redmi Note 8 Pro. So don't forget to check out my channel, friends, for more videos, so you can find this kind of interesting videos which I did. So as you can see, friends, after 8 hours and 32 minutes of continuously playing the movie 1080 movie in the Redmi Note 8 Pro device, so the battery percentage is of 54%, friends. So throughout this test I have been using only with the 50% brightness. Let me show you the settings in the phone so you can understand how much the battery percentage it is. So definitely I'll be continuing the test until it reaches to 0 or close to 2%, friends. So we can conclude how many hours you can actually play in the Redmi Note 8 Pro device with the 1080 movie playback. So remember, friends, I am using with the 50% brightness and with a 1080 movie playing. So maybe if you are using low clarity movie, the results might vary. So overall, friends, 18 hours of continuously playing the movie in the Redmi Note 8 Pro device. So finally the battery dropped to the 2%. So you can see your, friends, clearly 2%. So overall this is the maximum time you can play in the Redmi Note 8 Pro device with the 1080 movie, friends. So with the 50% brightness and with the aeroplane mode, so you need to remember that one as well. So these are overall score, friends, and definitely do subscribe to my channel and check out other videos, friends. See you in the next video. Until then, bye.